Hello class, we again welcome back to our classes. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are healthy and you all are doing your work very well and studying at home. Yes? Okay, class 3. Today we will be reading a new chapter from our language book. We will be reading a new chapter, Parts of Speech, Noun, from your grammar book. Hope you all have purchased your books. Please open page number 9, chapter 2. Let us read the chapter. Yes, students, follow in your book the first paragraph. The words in a sentence are classified according to their work. Different words do different work in a sentences. Like students, when we write some sentence or when we speak some sentences, we use many of the thing in that, like we use verb, we use adverb, we use many things. We are using the things according to the need, according to the situation. So these are all comes in parts of speech. Now we will be reading that 8 parts of speech. First one, noun. Second one, pronoun. Third one, adjective. Fourth is verb. Fifth is adverb. And sixth is preposition. And seventh will be conjunction. And eighth will be interjection. So now, student, these are all the 8 things which we are using in a day-to-day conversation. When we do conversations with your friends, teachers, parents, we usually use many of the things in between the sentences, but we are not able to realize it now. So for how to realize, we will be reading one by one. See, the noun. As you all know that the word that names a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. Yes, example. See the examples. First one, a ship sails on water. Second one, Seema reads a story. Raj has a bicycle. Delhi is a big city. Rat is a small animal. In the above sentences, the word in color are noun. Now we will be reading about what is noun and how the types of noun. Now see the kinds of noun. First one, common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun. Let us read about them. What is common noun, students? A thing which is similar or same kind. Now see common noun. Common noun is a common name given to a person, animal, place or thing are of same kind. For example, the girl is reading in the class. The computer is very useful. The girls are many. We cannot name one by one. So what we say, the girl is reading in the class. Now come to page number 10, students. Boys play in the park. In these sentences, the colored words are common noun. Yes. Now see what is proper noun. A proper noun tells us the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, Nisha is a good girl. Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. The Ganga is a holy river. In the above sentences, the colored words are proper noun. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Students, just see this. When we use proper noun, like the name of a person or a name of a place or name of a city, we will be using the capital letter in the beginning. Now come to collective noun. A collective noun names a group of person or things. Example, a class won the cricket match. A fleet of ships is seen in the sea, because in class we have 20, 50, 30 students total. So What we say? The class. Fleet of ships, like many ships are seen in the sea. My family lives in the village. In family, your mother, father, your sister, your brother, your grandfather, grandmother, they all come in your family. So what we say? We say family. In the above sentence, the colored words are collective noun. Yes. Hope you all have understood till here, students. Now we will read about abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state. Abstract noun refers to ideas that we cannot see or touch. Beta, abstract things are those things which those things which we cannot touch or we cannot see, like your inner beauty, your kindness, your goodness, your obedience. These which we cannot touch it, we can only realize it. Now see the quality which comes in abstract noun: kindness, goodness, intelligence, beauty, cleverness, honesty, obedience. These are all your inner personality. Action: laughter, theft, movement, judgment, etc. These are all the action which is done by someone. State: boyhood, childhood, youth, poverty, sickness, death. These are come in state. State, like your present situation, like I am adult, you are in a childhood stage. Now example, see the examples are given. The soldier received an award for his bravery. Laughter is the best medicine of all. Third one, honesty is the best policy. Fourth one, beggar lives in poverty. So these are the words written in blue color. These are all in the form of abstract noun which we cannot touch. We can just do it in a form of action or in the form of quality. Okay, now we will be reading about material noun. What is material noun? Material noun is the name of a material or substance of which a thing is made. Like your teacher has given you a task to make a pen stand. So to make a pen stand, what you will be required in the form of substance like Fevicol, paper, or many other decorative things. These are required for making something. Like wool is required for making a sweater. So the same thing, material noun is there. See the example. We get wool from sheep. Iron is a very useful metal. This is a shop for diamonds. Calcium is good for health. Cotton dresses are very comfortable. See, these are all known as material. Now students, go through the exercise. Take the correct option. The first one, there are 5 kinds of noun. Second one, the word class is an example of collective noun. The Taj Mahal is an example of proper noun. Fourth one, the country is an example of a common noun. Please do this exercise in your book, and beside from this you will be doing exercise B and C in your book on your own, so that you can easily understand the given chapter and you can easily recognize the types of noun. Please do the exercise B and C in your book with the help of pencil. See this exercise C. It's very easy. Just you have to underline the nouns in the following sentences. Hope you all have understood the chapter, and still please go through the exercise. If you face any problem, please let me know. We will be discuss it again, and I will do the worksheet work for you all, and we will be providing you the worksheet. Till the time you are not getting the worksheet, please do try the exercises in book itself, please. And one thing, use pencils only, and those who have not purchased the book, please purchase your book. See, the condition is going wrong day by day, so please cooperate. and thank you for the day. Have a nice day and take care and stay safe and stay healthy, students. Okay, goodbye, take care.